Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Truecar. Truecar is a website that helps you buy or sell cars. It shows you real prices so you know what people in your area are paying. This helps you avoid overpaying. You can search for new or used cars. Truecar shows offers from different dealers. You can compare prices, see pictures, and check car details. This saves time and helps you find a good deal. If you're buying a new car, you can pick the model, color, and features. Then, Truecar shows local prices, sometimes with discounts. For used cars, it also shows the accident and repair history. Truecar connects you with dealers. You don't buy the car on the website, you still need to visit the dealership to complete the sale. Sometimes, the price might change when you go in. One thing to know, you might get calls or emails from dealers after using the site. That's because you enter your contact info to get price offers. Overall, Truecar is a helpful tool for car shopping. It makes comparing prices easy and helps you feel more confident when buying a car. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.